Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. So today we're going to be doing something slightly different, something that I thought would be just a little bit of fun. We're going to be reviewing and unboxing the Mega Mounts phone holder. Now, I picked this up on Amazon for I think £12 or £13. If you guys want to get one, I've left a link down below. All right, let's get to it. Okay, just to give you a comparison, this is your sort of typical cheap phone holder that you would find in various supermarkets and stuff. I'm not dissing these at all, but I mean this actual one in particular snapped in half. So yeah, this wasn't very good. Didn't last very long, but it did get me through a road trip. It's a quick solution, isn't it? Yeah, as you can see, this is huge. This is tiny, but I mean, look at the quality difference. That's a lovely little box, that. Very neatly packaged. I like that a lot. Right, let's unbox this little box and see what's inside. There it is. I'll tell you what, first impressions, that feels lovely and heavy. That's got a real nice heft to it. The rubber feels really durable. That seems like it's going to last a long time. So let's pop that there and see what else is in the box. So that's nice. You've got your main magnetic strip, and this, I believe, goes on the back of your phone case. I'm assuming, yeah. Oh, wow. That is strong, guys. We have another one as well, a little circle one. So that's nice. And we've got the last thing in here is the Mega Mounts quick guide. Here's my phone. This is the case I'll be using. So we turn that round, and this will be going on there. So I'm just trying to work out, would it be better to take this off and put that there? All right, guys, so I've installed the backing plate underneath here. And as you can see, well, you would never know it's there. It's really nice and discreet. But let's give it a go. Okay, so here's the Mega Mount. Whoa. That is, I mean, just listen to that. That is never coming off, guys. So there it is. Let's go to the car, take the car for a drive with this all working and, see how it holds up. So see you in a minute. Thanks for watching the video, guys. Hope you enjoyed it. I think the Mega Mounts is really cool. I think it's a great phone holder. It's solid, looks like it's gonna hold up over a long period of time. And yeah, it's cheap as well. I'm not actually sponsored by them or affiliated with Mega Mounts whatsoever. I literally just bought it because I've heard about it in other people's videos. So yeah, do subscribe to the channel, leave us a like and a comment if you're feeling friendly, and I'll see you in the next video. Thanks very much.